Welcome back. In just 2 days from now, Sasikala, popularly known as Chinnamma, will be returning to Chennai after serving 4 years in jail, term in disproportionate asset cases. Sasikala was the close aide of former Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister Jayalalitha. Now, Amma is no more. Will Chinnamma stake claim to Jaya's legacy?
Vivekanandan Krishnaveni Sasikala. Fondly known as Chinnamma, close aide to former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister late Jayalalitha, is now finally out of prison. She spent 4 long years in jail, serving a sentence to the 66 crore rupees disproportionate assets case to which Jayalalitha was accused number 1. She is now free, ready to roar, still powerful, and all set to stake claim on Amma's legacy. With Tamil Nadu polls fast approaching, all eyes are now hooked on Sasikala's every move. The question is, how relevant is Sasikala in Tamil Nadu politics? Well, analysts claim she could be the game changer. Now let's rewind and refresh your memory a bit. Who is Sasikala and why is AIADMK looking visibly worried with her arrival now? For the unversed, Sasikala had virtually controlled the AIADMK. Right after Jayalalitha's death, it was assumed Sasikala would be her direct successor. After all, she was Amma's closest confidant, Amma's shoulder to lean on, and surely the brain behind Amma's throne. Jayalalitha passed away in December 2016, and that's when the real power struggle began. One can't deny, Sasikala may have had big dreams of taking over as the Chief Minister, but the law caught up with her even before she could make the move. The Supreme Court convicted Sasikala in the disproportionate assets case. Her detractors painted her as the villain, the evil influence over an innocent Amma, the Puratchi Thalaivi. But quite clearly, Sasikala's story did not end there. And that was quite visible on the day she stepped out of Bengaluru's Victoria Hospital. A huge crowd of supporters greeted Sasikala as she waved and made her way into a car bearing the AIADMK flag. Quite a bold political statement there, as it surely ruffled feathers within the AIADMK. Many would ask, how important is Sasikala in the current political scenario? Well, one can't deny that Sasikala's release just months before state assembly elections has surely shaken up political equations in Tamil Nadu. AIADMK is at full throttle to claim Amma's legacy, explaining why Chief Minister Palani threw open Amma's memorial the day Sasikala walked out free. Truth be told, the AIADMK looks vulnerable like never before. Chief Minister Palani will be facing Sasikala for the first time in 4 years. If you remember, it was Sasikala who placed Palani on the Chief Minister's throne. Remember this picture that's become the DMK's tool to attack AIADMK? Here you can see Sasikala's hand-picked Chief Minister Palani falling at her feet. But after her arrest, Palani was quick to shut the doors on Sasikala and expelled her from the post of AIADMK General Secretary. He threw her out and joined hands with O. Pannirselvam, the now Deputy Chief Minister, who was ousted by Sasikala before she went to prison. AIADMK has vowed never to allow Sasikala back in. So does it mean it's game over for Sasikala? Can AIADMK really afford to overlook her presence now? Fact is, in the current scenario, Sasikala could emerge a game changer. Sasikala, who hails from Manargudi near Tanjavur, wields a sizable influence among the Thevar community, which dominates in the AIADMK. The AMMK party, founded by Sasikala's nephew TTV Dinakaran, could play up this vote base and eat into AIADMK's vote share. Now, AMMK can also spin up a third front with S. Ramadas's PMK and Captain Vijay Kant's DMDK to further dent AIADMK's prospects. So it's now really left to the ruling AIADMK. Do they want to swallow the bitter pill and ally with AMMK, or take the risk of single-handedly, along with the BJP, fighting the DMK, which is a powerful opposition here with strong allies in the face of anti-incumbency?
All right, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of News. To stay with us, news and updates continue on the other side.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.